Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix cursor freeze in Windows 10 solution. Go to the start menu and type device manager and hit enter. One moment. Scroll down and select mice and another pointing device and select your mouse depend of your product mark, for example MSI, Corsair, Asus, whatever. Right click and select update driver or touchpad. Right click update driver and select search automatically for drivers, one click. If you receive a wizard or a setup, click on next install and you receive this message: Windows has successfully updated your drivers, and click on close. And repeat this process in all pointing device. Right click the first option, update driver, and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and click next install, and you receive the best drivers for your device already installed. Repeat this process in all device. Click on close. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And this is all, your mouse works properly and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.